Want to learn about money and investing but don't know where to start? Want to teach your kids or grandkids about money but don't know how? Are you a teacher looking for simple videos to teach financial literacy at school? You've come to the right place. Why? I learned about money at 6, started investing at 7, and created Easy Peasy Finance at 8. Here, I break down complex financial concepts for kids and beginners of all ages, using fun, animated videos in under 3 minutes, along with real-world tips to make the most of your money. Over the last 6 years, Easy Peasy Finance has grown to over 750 videos spanning the entire personal finance spectrum, covering budgeting, investing, banking, credit cards, insurance, taxes, retirement, and more, and has touched the lives of over 2 million people. Along the way, I've won several prestigious industry awards, published 3 books, have been featured on TV and magazines, participated in corporate events, and have been on numerous radio shows and podcasts. Ready to dive into the exciting world of money? Click on the playlist below. I'm Rishi Bandit, and welcome to Easy Peasy Finance.